everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. I was supposed to get my hair done on January 4th. My new hair appointment was rescheduled for February 4th. Obviously, we're still in lockdown. It's been so long since I've gotten my hair done that it's just turned into brass. So I kind of just wanted to go back to my roots and take matters into my own hands. And I'm pretty confident with Better Natured, we can tackle this at home. I feel very confident in this. So I just want to take a quick second. Thanks to today's video sponsor, which is Better Natured. I'm so thankful to be partnering with them. Better Natured is naturally derived professional hair color. So what that means is they use plant and mineral material mixed with water in order to create some really gorgeous hair color. And they have vegan formulas, none of which are tested on animals. So I'm really excited to try their hair color out. I'm excited for how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so let's get a nice before shot of my hair. When do I ever have my hair straight? Like never, but I feel like it looks so long right now. But anyways, okay, let's get the before shot. That way we'll be able to see the full real difference. The colors that I've chosen to use today are Better Natured 8N and 8BA. The cream base that I'm going to mix this with has coconut oil and a triple plant milk blend of coconut, Tahitian palm, and white orchid. So I'm gonna be mixing my color with a 20 volume cream developer. Typically after a fresh bleach, these are the shades that I use. Sometimes I would add in a bit of an 8G, but because we don't want the gold today, I'm just going to stick with the 8N and the 8BA. What I think is really neat about the Better Natured hair color is that their formula is meant to be used either with like a bowl or a brush, or it even works for like a bottle application. So whatever you feel more comfortable doing, it's gonna work for you at home. So for my application, I'm going to split my hair down the back, down the side. I'm going to split it into 3 sections on each side. Next, I'm going to apply the color barrier cream. I know we're not doing my roots, but doing the back of my color is a little bit messy. I feel like the most important spot for this to get is like this back of my neck area. This is where I always get hair color. I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt today doing this because I have this like insane bruise on my arm. I didn't want that to be the topic of discussion. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt doing this, that's why. You can see here, there's a lot of dark here. When you apply, you can just go ahead and really apply it on the blonder spots. So once that's all put in, I'm going to just take my fingers, blend that all into place. I'm gonna let down another section, just applying right below the root area. This stuff has like a really nice floral fragrance to it. It's really nice. So then once I have this section done, I'm just gonna grab the other section, blend them together. I hope that you guys are doing well. I know that there's a lot of parts of the world that are still in lockdown too. I know too, like from being at home, like I get so DIY inspired, like I want to do everything myself. So hence this video. I thought you guys would enjoy seeing it. Back to my roots. So the new studio, well, it's not new. It's obviously the same studio it's been, but I have children as neighbors. Like I don't know how old they are. They're so sweet though. They're like, I'm so bad with ages, but if I were to guess, I'd say like maybe 12 and, oh goodness, 8? I don't know. They're really sweet, but they do make a lot of noise like after school time. So I still have some time, but I just heard them. I'm pretty sure they're doing virtual learning, so maybe they're on their lunch. Just work in sections like this. It's nice that I don't have to do my roots, but I like keeping my roots that dark natural color. It's just nice in the long run, less maintenance. Now I'm gonna quickly run and do the other side for you, and I will meet you back here with the ends. Similar sort of fashion, just making sure that I'm saturating everything. Using a brush helps to help make sure that you're not missing any sections. But again, the reason I said want to do these last was because they are more porous because they've been bleached so many times. That's why the gloves are nice, because you can feel where it's still wet, that sort of thing. Okay, so this has a 35-minute processing time, so I'm going to let it sit for 35 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it with the Better Natured Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner. Shampoos and conditioners are some of my favorite things to try. I just never really use the same one. I'm just always so interested in like what works and what doesn't work. So I'm excited to try these. The naturally derived ingredient, that really just like tickles my fancy. So excited to give it a go. And I love cute packaging, but I'm really excited to not have such brassy hair anymore. Okay, see you guys in 35 minutes. Okay, are you guys ready for this transformation? Because it's a good one. So here is what the final hair has turned out looking like. Do you know what? I'm usually so scared of change, but I'm like beyond happy. Like I think that this looks a lot more natural. It's a little bit darker and I really like that as well. That will be the 8N that came in, and then we got some really nice tones going on here. It's a lot ashier. This is like usually what I go for, but I think it's just been so long since I had my hair colored that I was so used to having that really brassy hair. Look at how silky and shiny this is. The shampoo and conditioner I actually really liked. My hair feels like very voluminous. I love freshly colored hair. It feels so smooth. It feels so conditioned. I'm really happy with this. Again, let me show you the before and the after. Again, it's a little bit darker. It's a little bit cooler. It just feels all in all like much more natural. It had been a while since you guys watched me color my hair on this channel, so I hope that you enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in a hair refresh, or if you guys are interested in a whole change, a whole makeover, make sure to check out Better Natured hair products. You can check them out at betternatured.com. And what's cool is they have like a quiz on there, so it will help you in like the decision process. It'll just make it that much easier. Better Natured was also kind enough to give you guys a discount code. So it is just Tasha25. You can get 25% off your entire order. I'm just gonna put that in the down bar for you guys. I feel like a new woman, y'all. Thanks for hanging out today. And I will see you guys in my next video. As always, have a great day. Bye guys.